Now you will face the consequences. I promise you, you will never ever shoot a video again.
A warm welcome to this channel English Boosting Power. In this video we will learn few action verbs which we generally use in our daily conversation. I am sure you will enjoy it. Please try to use them in your sentences. It will boost your confidence as well as your fluency. So let's get started without a snack.
I'm bumping elbows. Due to Corona, we stopped shaking hands and started bumping elbows. What was that? What do you call the sound of water running over stones? That sound is called babble. Babble. I repeat, babble. I'm beating the rug. I think I've got something in my eye. I think I should blink for some time. What am I doing? I'm blinking. What am I doing? I'm blinking. I repeat, blinking. That light is blinking. The children are crawling across the floor. Let me also crawl with them. Oh my God, it's so hot over here. I think I'd catch the sun if I stayed here for some more time. My mother told me not to go shopping, but in fact, she wanted to go shopping, but I did not listen. But I think now I need to shift gears. Otherwise, I'll catch the sun and I don't want to catch the sun. Oh no, what do I do? Wait a minute. What is the meaning of shift gears and catch the sun? Shift gears means to change suddenly whatever you're doing. मतलब कि इरादे बदलना. And catch the sun means to get sunburn. Oh my God, now I think I need to go to my house or else I'll catch the sun. I'm gonna shift gears. I'm going back to my house. Now I've reached my house. Brush away. Now see, I'm gonna brush away the crumbs from my dress. I am brushing away the crumbs from my dress. I brushed away the crumbs of bread from my dress. Now let me continue eating this bread. I sniffed the flower. These flowers in bloom are a beautiful sight. Now what is this bloom? Bloom का मतलब होता है फूल का खिलना. फूल के खिलने को हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं bloom. क्या कहते हैं? Bloom. I repeat, bloom. Now let me show you. I will pluck this flower. I plucked the flower. What did I do? I plucked the flower. I sniffed the flower. Now I'll trample the flower. I trampled the flower. It means I crushed the flower. Trample means to step heavily on someone or something, causing damage or injury. ट्रैम्पल को हम हिंदी में कहते हैं पैरों के नीचे कुचलना. तो मैंने फूल को अपने पैरों के नीचे कुचल दिया. मतलब कि मैंने फूल को मैं कहूँगी I trampled the fool. I trampled the flower. Now look at this plant. This plant is just beginning to bud. Means this plant has just started to produce flowers. Now look at this. This is a bud. This is a bud, which is a small part of a plant which slowly develops to a flower or a leaf. Now slowly this bud will develop into a flower like this one. So this is called bud. What is it called? Bud. let me tell you that this word bud reminded me an idiom which is nip something in the bud, which means to destroy something at an early stage. For example, my mother nipped my idea of going to the water park in the bud. Means she destroyed my idea, or I would say she cancelled my idea even before it developed. The bud, the flower, leaf, this is sniff, pluck, break. I will break this stick. I have broken this stick, but I don't break my promise. This is called axe. And this axe reminded me an idiom. But what is the idiom? The idiom is an axe to grind. I repeat, an axe to grind. And it means to have strong personal opinions about something which you want other people to trust, or I would say to believe. And that is the reason you're trying to do something. So that is called an axe to grind. मतलब कि अपना उल्लू सीधा करना या फिर अपना स्वार्थ निकालना उसे कहते हैं an axe to grind. I repeat, an axe to grind. Let's take an example. Generally, environmentalists have no political axe to grind. They simply just want to save the planet. Let's take another example. I have an axe to grind with my friend.
You didn't listen to me, didn't you? Now you will face the consequences. I promise you, you will never ever shoot a video again. Hey, what was that? You don't know what it was? It was a belly laugh. If you can tell me the meaning of belly laugh, maybe I'll let you go.
Belly laugh का मतलब होता है ठाके मार के हंसना.
And the English meaning?
Belly laugh means a loud, unrestrained laugh.
I didn't know that you actually knew the meaning.
Now let me go.
As promised.
I'm free.
Capture her again.
Anyway, if you have liked this information, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video. And yes, if you have learned, or I would say if you have understood this idiom, nip in the bud, then do make a sentence with this idiom, nip in the bud, and drop it in the comment box. Bye bye, see you in the next video.